So today I wanted to show you a resource that we use that helps us determine when we should start our seeds indoors so they're ready to be planted outdoors at the right time. There's a website called johnnyseeds.com, which is where we buy some of our seeds and tools. And they have a very cool free resource. You're at the homepage here. You go over to Growers Library, click on Planting Tools and Calculator, seed starting date and then it brings this page here. Has all the different types of vegetables and herbs on here as well on when you should be starting them indoors so they'll be ready to transplant outdoors at the right time. Because you don't want to do it too soon, because if you get a frost and you have tomatoes out there, it's going to kill them. So now you're asking, well, when is my spring frost-free date? Which is what you'd put right here. That's a good question. I have an answer for you. You go to almanac.com. You enter your place wherever you live. Right now I have Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's not where I live, but I have cousins that live there. So if they're watching this, now you know. You hit the change button. It says the last spring frost is April 29th. So you know to go ahead and enter April 29th right here, hit enter, and it will actually adjust everything to fit that schedule. So tomatoes in Minneapolis, Minnesota need to be started indoors between March 11th and April 1st. So this is something we just started our seeds indoors the day before yesterday, and this is what we use. We'll actually print this off and laminate it so we know it's safe. We don't have to keep coming back and forth to this. We just have it with all of our seeds so we know. So hopefully this is something you guys can use to plant your gardens, and hope you have a successful planting, and thanks for watching.